All right, what's up, guys? Anthony here, Special Analysis. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I want to talk about light sweet crude oil, how the setup transpired. Phenomenal sell-off here this morning, and let's talk about it. So, market was in a clear, definable uptrend. We entered into a period or an area of consolidation or resistance. We entered an area basically where the sellers said, "You know what, buyers? That's it. We're done. We're not going any higher from here." So you can see that we created an area of indecision, which ultimately proved to be new support here, right? So market impulsed, consolidated, battle between buyers and sellers. The buyers ultimately win the battle to push higher. The sellers step in. We test support. Support is clearly holding. Buyers push back up and are unable to overcome this high, ultimately creating a double top, right? So double top transpires. We take a push to the downside. We get that signature trend change, meaning the profit band went from blue to gold. We correct through the profit band, which is the trigger we're looking for, directly into what was previously support, now becomes new resistance after this breakdown through support occurred. And we're off to the races, guys. Perfect sell-off. Impulse, shallow correction, massive impulse, dropping over, I shouldn't say over, but about 118 ticks from trigger candle to absolute low. Plenty of opportunity here to pay and protect yourself. So, guys, this is very simplistic, very entry-level price action analysis. This is nothing special, right? It's simply using a tool called the Profit Pack that allows you to from a much easier perspective to understand what the market's doing and when it's doing it, which should afford you the opportunity to identify low risk, high probability setups. So identify, qualify, execute using the trend change correction through the profit band with the trigger candle printing. And that's exactly what happened here. You can see I circled it. Here's the trigger candle. Ideal entry is considered at the close of the trigger candle, which is at the bottom. Ideal stop placement is at the top of the trigger candle, which is right here. Simply what we're doing and what the Profit Pack is designed to do is to find the first correction in a new established trend. So right here we established a new trend. Right here we established the first correction that must pull through the profit band, which in this case it did. That's that trigger candle that we look for, a little doji style candle, small body, big wick above, big wick below. And we're off to the races, guys. You simply qualify it here. This was previously support. You can see that support was broken and it was simply retested into what is now considered new resistance, which held beautifully and created this incredible sell-off. So if you want to learn more about the Profit Pack, getting it in your hands, there is a link below this video. There's probably several links. I encourage you to click on them, consume the content, send me an email, ask me all the questions that you have. We can have a conversation and see if this is ultimately right for you. If it is right for you and you're interested in moving forward, we can get it in your hands within 24 hours time and you can be off and running. So it simply comes down to trend change, correction through the profit band, trigger candle prints, consideration for entry here, consideration for stop right above here. And that's the setup of the Profit Pack. Now, going one step further by qualifying it, right? What was previously support is now new resistance, adds another layer of probability of your trade setup working for you. So that's it, guys. Keep it simple, and that's exactly what the Profit Pack does. And you should be seeing your trading turn around pretty quickly.